The S-400 Triumf is Russia's most advanced air defense system. It can strike targets up to 400 kilometers away. The Patriot PAC-3 is America's premier air defense system. It intercepts ballistic missiles with hit-to-kill technology. The S-400's 40N6 missile can intercept targets at 400 kilometers. It creates a massive defensive bubble.
The Patriot PAC-3 uses hit-to-kill technology. It physically collides with the target instead of using a warhead.
The S-400's radar can track 300 targets simultaneously and provide 360-degree coverage.
In 2007, Russia deployed the S-400 Triumf, its most advanced air defense system. The Patriot system entered service in the 1980s. It has been upgraded multiple times since.
In the 1991 Gulf War, Patriot intercepted Scud missiles, but the success rate was only 9% verified. Two systems, two philosophies, both designed to protect against the same threat. The S-400 was developed by Almaz-Antey in the 1990s. It was designed to replace the aging S-300 system. The S-400 was tested at the Kapustin Yar missile range. It proved its capability against multiple targets. In 2007, the S-400 was deployed near Moscow. It became the backbone of Russian air defense.
China was the first foreign customer for the S-400 in 2018. Turkey and India followed.
The Almaz-Antey plant in Moscow produces S-400 missiles. It is a highly automated facility.
Each S-400 missile contains 767 meters of wiring. Female workers assemble this complex nervous system.
The S-400's electronic components are assembled in clean rooms by skilled technicians. S-400 missile casings are forged from alloy steel and titanium. They can withstand extreme temperatures.
Every S-400 missile undergoes rigorous quality control before it is assembled. S-400 missiles are painted green for Russian military use. Export customers receive sand-colored versions.
Lockheed Martin's Texas factory produces the Patriot PAC-3 missile. It is one of the most advanced missile factories in the world. The U.S. Army is investing billions to triple Patriot production to 2,000 missiles per year by 2030.
The PAC-3 uses hit-to-kill technology. It physically collides with its target instead of using a warhead.
Northrop Grumman supplies the rocket motors for the Patriot PAC-3 missile. Every Patriot PAC-3 missile undergoes quality control before it leaves the factory. Lockheed Martin is expanding production to meet growing demand for Patriot systems.
The U.S. Army's $58.6 billion contract will triple Patriot PAC-3 production to 2,000 missiles per year.
The Patriot's guidance system directs the missile to its target with precision.
The PAC-3 missiles are shipped to U.S. Army units and allied nations around the world.
Two systems, two philosophies, both designed to protect against the same threat. The S-400's 91N6E radar can track 300 targets simultaneously and provide 360-degree coverage. The S-400 uses multiple radar systems for detection, tracking, and target illumination.
The Patriot's AM/MPQ-65 radar provides limited azimuth coverage. It is designed for point defense. The Patriot's radar display shows targets being tracked. The system can engage multiple targets simultaneously.
The 40N6 missile gives the S-400 a 400-kilometer range. It can engage targets far beyond the Patriot's reach.
The PAC-3 MSE has a 160-kilometer range. It uses hit-to-kill technology to intercept targets.
The S-400 uses vertical launch, while the Patriot uses inclined rails. This affects their deployment flexibility.
The S-400 can be deployed and ready to fire in just 5 minutes. This gives it a significant mobility advantage.
The Patriot requires 25 minutes to deploy. This makes it less mobile than the S-400. The S-400 provides 360-degree coverage. The Patriot is limited to a 100-degree arc. The S-400's command center integrates data from all its radar systems to build a complete air picture.
The 48N6 missile has a range of 250 kilometers. It is the S-400's primary medium-range interceptor. The 9M96E2 missile has a range of 120 kilometers. It is designed for engaging aircraft and cruise missiles. The Patriot's engagement control station coordinates the entire battery's operations.
The PAC-3 GEMT missile is designed for engaging aircraft and cruise missiles. The PAC-3 MSE is the Patriot's most advanced interceptor. It is designed for ballistic missile defense. The S-400's 5P-85 TE-2 launcher carries multiple missiles ready for rapid engagement.
The Patriot's M902 launcher can be positioned to cover a specific threat axis.
The S-400's command vehicle integrates data from multiple batteries to create a unified air picture. The Patriot's engagement control station coordinates the entire battery to ensure target interception. The S-400 can be deployed in just 5 minutes. This rapid mobility makes it difficult to target. The Patriot required 25 minutes to deploy. This makes it more vulnerable to preemptive strikes. The S-400's radar provides 360-degree coverage. It can track targets from any direction.
The S-400 is designed to operate from concealed positions, making it difficult to detect.
The Patriot is typically deployed in open areas to provide maximum coverage.
The S-400 can engage multiple targets simultaneously, overwhelming enemy attacks.
The Patriot can engage multiple targets, but its limited azimuth restricts its coverage.
The S-400 has proven effective against cruise missiles in combat operations.
The Patriot has proven effective against ballistic missiles, including Russian Kinjal hypersonic missiles. In Ukraine, the S-400 has been highly effective against ATACMS and Western missiles. Despite its capabilities, S-400 launchers have been destroyed by Ukrainian drones, exposing vulnerabilities. The Patriot has proven effective in Ukraine, intercepting ballistic missiles, cruise missiles, and drones.
The Patriot has successfully intercepted Russian Kinzhal hypersonic missiles in Ukraine.
Ukrainian operators use Patriot systems to protect their cities from Russian missile attacks. The 40N6 missile gives the S-400 its 400-kilometer range, making it the longest-range air defense missile in the world. The PAC-3 MSE is the Patriot's most advanced interceptor, designed for ballistic missile defense.
The Patriot is designed to engage ballistic missiles with hit-to-kill precision.
The S-400 has a 400-kilometer range, more than double the Patriot's 160-kilometer range.
The S-400 is the most advanced air defense system in the world. It can engage any target in any environment.
The Patriot is the most combat-proven air defense system in the world. It has intercepted hundreds of missiles.
The S-400 has superior range and radar, but the Patriot has proven itself in combat against Russian missiles.
We have used both systems. The Patriot is more accurate, the S-400 has more range. Both have saved Ukrainian lives.
We are investing billions to triple Patriot production. The threat from ballistic missiles is real.
The S-400 is a strategic asset. It denies airspace to enemy aircraft and missiles.
The S-400 and Patriot represent two different approaches to air defense. Both are effective in different ways.
The Patriot is not just a weapon. It is a shield that protects our allies and our interests.
The S-400 gives us the ability to defend our airspace from any threat. It is the pride of our air defense forces.
The S-400 and Patriot are the two most advanced air defense systems in the world. Both have their strengths and weaknesses.
In a direct confrontation, the S-400's range would allow it to engage first, but the Patriot's accuracy gives it a second chance. The US is integrating Patriot with Aegis naval systems, creating a multi-layered defense network. Russia is integrating S-400 with the more advanced S-500 system to create a seamless air defense network.
The US is investing in Patriot upgrades to counter hypersonic threats.
The S-400 has superior range. The Patriot has proven accuracy. Both are essential to their respective forces. The S-400 is the backbone of Russian air defense, protecting the nation's airspace from any threat. The Patriot is the shield of US and allied forces, protecting military bases, cities, and critical infrastructure. Subscribe now and turn on the bell icon to never miss an upload.
Weapon war and the future of military content.
Thank you for watching this video. This video is created using AI tools. Scripting, voice design, and animations are originally creations powered by Google AI Studio and Veo 3. No copyrighted footage is used. All videos are AI simulated for educational and informational purpose only.